on the ground.
Oh!
Kevin 6, Wasp 0.
It's right there! Right there, right there! Baby, back up, right there, right there!
There's only 2 more.
Babe, can you just leave?
They keep going back.
Hey, how about you just leave it and we'll spray the wasp killer there later?
Oh, okay.
Huh?
Man, there's only 2 more.
Babe! Babe! It's right there on the floor!
Got it. I don't know where it went. Right here, right from you to the left. A little bit.
Oh, look, right there. Oh, there's no more there.
Why are you playing this music along with this? I'm just kidding. It makes it so much more like intense. You got it. Did you get all of them?
I think so. Oh, no.
Babe! Whoa, careful! Right there! What is that?
Are you recording me? What the fuck? That was fun.
Are you done?
Yeah, that's it.
How many wasps did you kill?
It was like wasp-icide.
Let me see. Oh, jeez!
Just leave it there. It's a warning for the future one. No, once you step on it, your dog step on it, then you're like stung.
Oh, they're not dead. That one's not dead. They're not dead. Couple of them.
Yeah, they're pretty resilient.
Those are wasps. Oh my god, there's another one in there, babe.
Yeah, they're about to be born.
What do you mean?
Yeah, they grow in there.
Is that the white stuff?
Yeah, they're like eggs.
What are you gonna do? I think you should take something and smash them. Oh, babe, that is so gross.
No, because they're like alive still.
No, but
Oh, this, yeah, you just step on it. It's kind of gross.
don't. Or with your feet, I don't think you should with those shoes.
No, it's okay.
Why don't you just take something else? Ew, you've done that before?
Yeah, babe.
Huh?
Yeah.
How many times?
Oh, I used to do it as a kid a lot.
Why?
My dad would tell me to. That one too?
Hmm?
Sorry, Wasp.
The end.
That's it.
No more.
Can you stop recording here?